Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. We are going to start HTML series and this is my first tutorial. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This language describes the structure of web pages using markup. Actually, this language is used for creating structure and content of our website. Hopefully in the end of this tutorial, you will have a good understanding of the structure of HTML. To learn HTML, we need two things. One is Notepad and the other is a web browser like Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. So let's start with Notepad. We can also use Visual Studio for writing HTML code, but because this tutorial is for beginners, so I'm going to start with Notepad. So there are many tags. Actually, HTML is made up of tags. So the first tag we need is HTML. This is opening of HTML tag, and this is closing of HTML tag. There are two types of tags. One that require opening and closing, and the other do not require opening and closing. They are open and close all at once. So what we write, our whole code will be in HTML tag. So there are two main sections. One is head section. For head section we use head tag. And the other is body section. Open and close. In head section is actually a place where we write the information about the page, and the body section is content that is displayed to the user. In head section we write our title, and for title we use title tag. Open and title, close. So the title of this page is my web. So the text written between the title is actually displayed in a web browser title bar. You can see. Save this file. The name of this file is web, and the extension of this file must be .html. This is extension. So save it with .html extension. You can open and see. I have saved my file here in HTML folder. So open it with Internet Explorer. So this is what we have written in our title bar, my web. So this is a blank page, but the only title is displaying here. So we move further. We go to our Notepad, and now in body section we will write our content. And for content we use headings and paragraphs. For heading we will use H1 to H6 tags. heading defined between H1 to H6 tags. H1 is the greatest, the size of H1 tag is greatest and the size of H6 is smallest. So H1 tag is actually used for main heading. So let's see. H1 open and H1 closed. So we write our heading. My first heading. So I write my first heading. My main heading. It looks nice. So save this file and see. Open. So this is what we have learned. We have written in our H1 tag. Now we can see H2 tag. For H2 tag, H2 open and H2 and H2 closed. Copy this. This is my subheading. Save. Refresh this page. Did you notice the size of H2 heading is smaller than H1? So that is the difference between H1, H2 and H3 up to H6 tags. The size of H6 tag is smallest. So you can check by writing H6 tag. Now I'm going to move further. Just gonna remove this. Now we are going to write a paragraph, and for paragraph we need P tag. Okay. Close. We write our paragraph here. This is my first tutorial in HTML series. Let's see. Save this file. Refresh this page. So this is our paragraph. This is the content that we have written in P tag. Let's write another paragraph. Just copy and paste. Save this file. Refresh it again. So this is our another paragraph. Now I'm going to show you how to use break tag. Just copy this sentence and paste it 2 times. Save. Refresh this page. So this is our paragraph. Now I want to display this sentence in next line. So for this, what I have to do is to use a break tag. I will write break tag, that is BR tag. This tag is used to display your content in next line. Let's see. Yes, it has been displayed in next line. Now I want to draw a line here, sorry, after heading and here. This is our heading. For displaying line, we use HR tag, HR. And after this, HR, RC, save and refresh. Line should be displayed here and here. Yes, it's working. Now we are going to learn another tag, that is image tag, because when we are building a website we also need images. For creating image, we use img tag in our body section, that is img. For img tag we need to specify a path. For creating path we use source, that is src equals to commas. Here we write the name of image and the extension of that image. One thing to be noticed is that we have to save image in same folder where we have saved our HTML code. So I want to display my image. My image is leave, copy and paste it in HTML folder that I have created. Paste. Now we have to notice the extension of this image, that is PNG, and the name is believe. So BELIVE dot PNG. Save. Now gonna refresh this page again to see the image. So the image is displaying here. If you want to change the size of image, you can use style. Yes, style equals to width 150 pixels and height and also 150 pixels. Save it again and refresh this page. The size of image has been changed. So that's what we have learned today. Now I'm gonna revise all the content that we have learned. First of all, we learned the basics of HTML language, that is hypertext markup language, and HTML is made up of tags, and the main tag is HTML tag. All the code is written between HTML tag. And there are two main sections. One is head section and the other is body section. In head section we write our title, and in body section we write our content. In body section we use different tags, like for heading H1 tag, and we can use H1 to H6 tags for subheading, and for paragraph we use P tag. For image we use img tag, and for image we have to specify the extension of the file. So viewers, I'm going to end this lecture. If you like this image, please give it thumbs up, because it will give me a lot of motivation to continue lectures. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.